हाय गाइस, टुडे आई एम शोइंग यू चना दाल चटनी रेसिपी। दोस्तों, इस रेसिपी का सबटाइटल्स हिंदी में भी है, प्लीज़ चेक कीजिए। दिस कैन बी सर्व्ड विथ हॉट राइस विथ लिटिल घी एंड दिस कैन बी इंक्लूडेड इन योर थाली एज अ साइड डिश एज वेल। नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड एंड चेक आउट द रेसिपी। आई हैव टेकन हाफ कप चना दाल, 1 tablespoon toor dal. Now let's dry roast it for a minute on medium to high flame. After a minute, sprinkle some oil and continue to roast it for 1 more minute. Now I am adding 4 red chillies. You can increase or decrease the quantity of red chillies depending on the spice level you require. Continue to roast the ingredients until the dal is reddish brown in color. Now let's switch off the flame and let it cool down completely. Meanwhile, I am tempering few ingredients for the chutney. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. To that I am adding 1 tablespoon mustard seeds. Let it splutter. Then I am adding 1 pinch of hing, 1 tablespoon of curry leaves, and it's ready. Now transfer the cooled roasted ingredients to the mixer jar. Add 2 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut, few pieces of ginger, 1 small ball-sized tamarind, salt as per taste, a little water, and grind it to a thick chutney consistency. This chutney will require a little more amount of water. You can add it as required. Chana dal chutney is ready. I am transferring it to a bowl and then add the seasoning to it. Serve it with hot rice with a little ghee or oil with it. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.